Hello everyone. In financial reporting, statement and analysis, unit 3rd, today we are going to discuss branches of accounting, meaning and significance of accounting standard. So let's discuss about branches of accounting. So different branches of accounting comes into existence keeping in view various forms of accounting information needed by different class of people. They may be owners, shareholders, management, suppliers, creditors, taxation authorities, government agencies, etc. There are three main accounting branches. First is financial accounting, second one is cost accounting, and third one is management accounting. All three are interrelated, but the most important branch of accounting considered as backbone of accounting is financial accounting. Financial accounting is a systematic method of recording and any business transaction according to accounting principles. It is the original form of accounting process. So we can say financial accounting defined as the science and art of recording and classifying business transaction and preparing summaries of the same for determining year and profit or loss and the financial position of concern. The objective of financial accounting is to find out the profitability and to provide information about the financial position of the concern. So we'll talk about more before discussing the functions of financial accounting. We can say financial accounting is the original form of accounting process. The primary purpose of financial accounting is to calculate the profit or loss of a business during a period and provide an accurate picture of business financial position as on a particular date. The trial balances, profit and loss account, and balance sheet of a company are based on the application of financial accounting principles. These are useful for creditors, banks, and financial institutions to assess the company's financial status. Further, taxation authorities can calculate the tax based on these records only. These are just the primary help you can get from this accounting. Beside these, there are many other things like knowing about bank balance, account receivables, balances, account wise summary, bank reconciliation statement, etc. The list is actually endless. So now let's discuss about functions of financial accounting. So the first and foremost function of financial accounting is recording of information, and these informations related to business and need to be convertible into money, then only record in financial accounting. After recording, the work of classification of data will start, and this classification of data will happen in the secondary book of financial accounting called ledger. In ledger, we create different accounts, and all accounts must contain the information related to that particular account. For example, if we are talking about cash account, so in cash account all the information related to cash, related to business transaction, we can easily track down after analyzing the cash account. In cash account, we cannot write the information of sales or purchase until unless there is no cash sale and there is no cash purchase. Now, after classification of data, the work of making summaries will start, and these summaries we prepare in the form of trial balance, where all the balances related to assets and expenses need to be in debit side, and all the balances related to liability, income and capital will be in credit side of trial balance. And the total of trial balance need to be matched. If the total of trial balance is not matched, it means there are some error, and these error need to be rectified with the help of procedure called error and their rectification. Now, after making summaries, the work of dealing with financial transaction in terms of preparing other statements like final account and other will start. And after preparing final account, the work of interpreting financial information to its interested user, and the another function of financial accounting is communicating results to interested parties, and these interested parties can be internal and can be external. After communicating the result, the another important function of financial accounting is making information more reliable. The thing is, because the whole work of recording comes under financial accounting, so information need to be reliable if we want any kind of results from these information. So, factor of reliability means whatever we are writing or recording in our financial accounting must be right and appropriate. If we are recording false information, then these false information need to carry forward to other branches of accounting, and at the end, the true and fair view of business we cannot track down. So whatever the information should be reliable. Now let's discuss the limitation of financial accounting. So these are the limitation of financial accounting. Basically, financial accounting is historical in nature. Financial accounting provide information about the concern as a whole. Financial accounting is not helpful in price fixing. Another limitation is cost control, not possible in financial accounting because the Primary work of financial accounting is recording. Appraisal of policy is not possible because in financial accounting we concerned about only financial data, and in financial accounting we record only actual cost. The another limitation of financial accounting is not helpful in taking strategic decision. After that, the some person think that financial accounting is a very technical subject. Another limitation is quantitative information comes under financial accounting, and the last but not least limitation is chances of manipulation. So manipulation can be anywhere, but if we are talking about manipulation in financial accounting, so for tracking such kind of manipulation, we have a mechanism called auditing, by which we can easily audit and track down all kind of manipulation in financial accounting. Now let's discuss about cost accounting. So if we are talking about cost accounting deal with calculating the cost of a product or service offered. It calculates the cost by considering all factors, including manufacturing and administrative factors, that contributes to output production. The objective of cost accounting is to help the management to fix the prices and control the cost of production. It also pinpoint any wastage, leakage, and defects during manufacturing the marketing processes. Possibly, these short descriptions about the accounting branch may give an overlapping understanding of each branch of accounting. So, before discussing the cost accounting, let's discuss what is cost. So, cost generally we understand cost means price, but it refers to cost, it means expenditure and not the price. So, whatever the expenditure happened in any activity related to business, there must be some cost, and if we are able to reduce our cost, definitely business will attain profit. So in cost accounting, first of all we need to understand what is cost. Then costing is the technique and process of ascertaining cost, how to identify the cost of particular activity. So that process is called costing. It consists of the principles and rule which are used for ascertaining the cost of product and services. Now let's discuss about cost accounting as a whole. So as per ICMA London, Institute of Cost and Management Accountant London, it is the process of accounting for cost from the point at which expenditure is incurred or committed to the establishment of its ultimate relationship with cost control and cost units. Now let's discuss about the functions of cost accounting. So the first function of cost accounting is Analyzing and ascertainment of cost. The first and foremost function of cost accounting is to analyze and ascertainment of cost, and these cost is related to the every activity of business, because in business there are so many activities and all activity must have cost. So first and foremost in cost accounting, analyzing and ascertainment of cost. Now, the second function of cost accounting is presentation of cost for cost reduction and cost control. So, in cost accounting, we not only ascertain the cost of any activity in terms of expenses, but the another function works on how to reduce the cost or how to control the cost, because if we are not able to reduce or control the cost, then cost will increase and profit will dip down. Now the another function is planning and decision making. The planning and decision making related to cost basically is the function of cost accounting. Now, why cost accounting is important? Let's discuss one by one. So, first of all, cost accounting is an aid to management. As we already discussed, in cost accounting, we perform the function of reducing of cost in terms of expenditure. So, cost accounting is an aid to management, how to increase profit and how to reduce our cost. So, under this, it provides data in regards to material, labor, overhead, and other expenses. It helps in price fixing, because if we are able to control our cost and we are able to reduce our cost, definitely our profit will go down. So, price fixing is possible with the help of cost accounting. But one more thing, for reducing the cost, business need not to compromise in the quality of the product. The next one is it provide information on which estimates and tenders are based. Basically, the information provided by cost accounting uh, based on tender pricing. And next one is it guides future production policies and